Yo, look at this shit, yo. This is a fucking pigeon, son. He done fuck himself up. This bitch sleepwalking. Hey, he look like Michael Jackson on Thriller and shit, dog. What the fuck wrong with him? Yo, we in front of Rental Center, dog. This motherfucker that must be done hit the damn window or something. This bitch sleepwalking. Wake up. There you go. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. This bitch went back to sleep, dog. Get your ass up, boy. Hey, the Rental Center know these motherfuckers out here like this, dude. Hey, the Humane Society? Some somebody's supposed to come rescue you or something, ain't it? I don't know, boy. Rise and shine, pimp. Come on. Come on.
Touch.
No. I am not touching no damn bird. That shit. Fuck that.
You dead now?
No, he ain't dead. He's still alive. Come on, cuz.
Don't keep shooting.
There you go. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Get money. Get money. Get money. Come on. Get money. Get money. You almost got money. You almost got money. Come on now. Come on now. You almost got money, man. Damn. That wing must be broken. Damn. That's fucked up. No. I'm not doing none of that.
Did he like fly into the thing? Is that what he did?
Whoa. Hey man, good luck, dude. Hey, he broke his wing, yo.
How you know, bro? You can see it on this side.
Yeah, it's just there. It's just in the way now.
He crushed the whole side of his body. That's so sad.
I don't know. What are we supposed to do?
Is that pet store still down there?
Yeah. Maybe they can help.
I'll go ask.
Thank you. That's nice of you. Don't worry. The pet store will more than likely know what to do and how to do it. I'm sorry. I can't do shit. But laugh.
Record.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hold up. Come on, man. Put a camera. Hey, what they say? What they say?
Stop. You ain't trying to find out
What they say? What they say? Do it for the van, nigga. Yeah.
he ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the van, nigga. Do it for the van. There you go. There you go. He doing it for the van. Ooh.
No, I'm flying it.
Ooh. Oh man, is his legs broke? No, his legs can't be broken. They wouldn't be to shoot. They wouldn't be dating.
Roll over again.
Oh man, what's up, Mr. John?
He done lock us out.
Yeah, he done lock us gone.
What's going on, y'all two? What you need?
Nothing. I was gonna look around, but never mind.
Come by tomorrow. I mean, I'm about to leave in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
We take 5 of them?
Come on in.
Mr. John, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, no.
Don't put me on Facebook.
Nah, ain't no Facebook. Might go on Vine because you had some funny ass shit going outside your store.
What's going on?
Apparently the pigeon ran into the window or something and broke his wing or something. I thought he broke it or he was just dazed or something.
Because he's right there walking.